guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 12th day of the 40 days challenge. Today's recipe is made of flattened rice or beaten rice called poha, and it is a very healthy breakfast option in India. Poha is a very versatile and an easy ingredient to use to cook. You just have to soak it in water for very little time, maybe a minute or two, and it puffs up and it is ready to be cooked. It's a very easy and a versatile form of rice to cook. Poha is considered a very nutritious and wholesome food. Poha is very commonly cooked in Maharashtra as Kanda Poha, which is onion poha. So today we are making using kanda and potatoes. So let's see how it's made, okay? I will pour some water over the poha like this and leave it for some time so the poha soaks in the water and puffs up. 2 tablespoons of oil, add some mustard seeds, some curry leaves, half a cup of onions. Once the onions soften like this, add the boiled potatoes. Add half a spoon of turmeric, half a spoon of salt, add 1 cup of puffed poha and mix it. Some roasted peanuts, a spoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors, and half a lime juice. Finish it off with some coriander leaves. It's done now, you can get it off the heat. So my 2 cents for today is walk every single day, at least for 45 minutes. Start slowly and progress gradually so that you build a consistent routine. Hydrate. Please watch your nutrition and hydration on a daily basis because these two need to be balanced for a balanced body. Enjoy my vlog today. Welcome and thank you to all the new subscribers. Hopefully you will enjoy all my videos, and please do share, like and subscribe guys. See you all in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.